How to turn off comments on Facebook posts. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can turn off comments on Facebook posts, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to turn off the comments on Facebook posts, you can simply open up the Facebook application, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. So go to your profile page and navigate to the post where you want to block the comments. Alright, so here you can just tap the three dots option, and here you can select who can comment on your post. Then you can just set this to nobody. Now you can select profile and pages you mention, and if you don't mention anyone, then no one will be able to comment, so you can tap on the done button from there. And this is the way on how you can actually go ahead and then basically turn off comments on your Facebook post. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.